Gold and silver started off the week on a strongly bullish note, while crude oil and natural gas almost staying flat from where we had seen the Friday closing. Yes, gold has moved towards the critical milestone at 3,800 and silver has already achieved $47 levels. So what to expect now? From these four instruments, gold, silver, crude oil, and natural gas, we're going to see here in this one single update. We're going to find out the levels at which you can take a trade now and trade with profits. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Subscribe, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. We're gonna see here in the same sequence first gold followed with silver and lastly crude oil and natural gas. Watch till. If you look at the movement in gold, it is moved towards 3,800 mark. Look at the move here, rise, retracement, and there could be a possibility of a second rise followed with a retracement. I'll definitely watch out how it behaves now at around 37, 90, 88 zone, below which you can expect it to move towards 37, 80, 78. And the most critical zone for the day is at around 37.60. If and only if you see gold trading below 37.60, you can say now this is the beginning of reversal. Else it is not yet showing signs of bearishness for the day. It is yet staying bullish. So you have to watch out here. In fact, now you can sell at 37.92 itself and expect it to move towards 37.88, 37.78, 80 on and 37.68, 70, 37.60. These are the four key levels. I'll write down the levels towards the end of the update. See, moving averages here are trading with divergence, is staying bullish. Stochastic at top. MACD is also rising here and the RSI is on rise as well. So signs are still pretty much supportive for further bullishness. Look at 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour charts, you can see slight retracement, consolidation, and now this is again a breakout on the upside. See, this is the consolidation and now it has given a breakout here right from 37.50. We have seen prices moving all the way towards 3,800 mark. If you just look and track the movement, there is a possibility of a slight retracement if it continues with the same trend, rise retracement, rise retracement. So this might follow with a slight retracement. But as I've mentioned, till 37.60 is not taken, you should not be treating this as bearish for the day, and specifically a move below 37.40 is the sign of a clear reversal here. Stochastic rising back to overbought zone. Look at MACD after hitting the bottom, just crossing over, looking upwards. Now this could be the possible beginning of another bullish wave here. Look what has happened here and here. After hitting the bottom, we have seen it rising towards the top. So this could be another movement towards the top, which means further higher prices. RSI rising, which is also a supportive sign for further bullishness. Look at 3 hour. On the 3-hour charts. See, since consolidation, it has given a breakout rise, retracement, but not to forget, every 2 to 3 candles it tries to retrace, and this is again 3 candles formation. So I'll now wait if at all it starts to retrace from here. Now on the upside, 3804, 3806 or 3807 is the zone it has to trade above. Once gold trades beyond 3804, 3806 zone or 7 zone, you can say we are ready for a round of rally here where 38.16 and 38.28 will be the next targets here for the day. Moving averages bullish, stochastic rising, supportive for further bullishness. Look at MACD crossing over here at the bottom, trading with divergence. This is increasing bullishness here, which means a move beyond 380407 should take it towards further highs. RSI rising, which is also a supportive sign for further bullishness. Look at 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, again at the top, Bollinger Bands have narrowed. It can give you a breakout. We have to wait for it. Right now, it is very much confined in a zone. It means a swing here. Rise retracement, rise retracement, rise retracement. Again, a rise might follow with a retracement. But as I have mentioned, till 37.60 is not taken, you have to remain careful with the sells. Only bearishness in gold today is below 37.60, where we can expect it to move towards 37.40, 20, and any point of time gold trading below 37.20 will be definitely gonna bring a stronger bearish move. But right now it is not showing any signs as such. So there are critical support levels till 37.20 that we have discussed now. On the upside, we know the resistances. Stochastic rising here. The MACD is also crossed over, trading with bullishness, rising here. Supportive for further bullishness as well. RSI almost staying flat. Coming to daily. Now on the daily charts, what's happening? The 5-period moving average is still proving out to be a greater support. This is a crucial support for the day, and that is where 3760 again offers it a very good resistance, and thus it is confirmed that for the day 3760 is the milestone gold needs to trade below. Any movement below that and is the only confirmation of a reversal, else it is not showing any signs of bearishness. See, increasing body size, increasing bullishness, and now once it trades beyond 3804, 06 levels, 07 levels, you can just stay bullish from there. We can expect it to move towards 3816, 3828, and if that is taken, then 3850 is also achievable. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bullish here. The RSI is extremely overbought and still looking upward. So considering this, now time for me to give you the trading levels. And before I give you the trading levels, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, be a part of my mentorship batch. 34th batch commenced couple of weeks back. 35th batch dates are announced. Be a part of it. Register yourself now. We only have limited intake, and hence register soon. Else be a part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals also you can benefit. And those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you safe free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now where you should buy. Now I will recommend you to buy at 37.98. Expect 380407 as the first target zone. If this is taken, 38 14 16 as the next, and then 38 28 30 will be the third one. Once 38 20 30 is taken, stay bullish. We are going to see 3850 as well, and then sky is the limit on the upside. Gold might rally stronger towards 3880 and in fact 3900 mark. See, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. Though such a move I am not expecting at least today. But till 3760 is not taken, I will say it is still staying bullish. But it might give you slight retracement, and thus if you see gold now trading below 3791, that is the previous highs what we had seen in gold, stay bearish for 3786, 378078, 3770, and then 3760. Once it trades below 3760, stay short for 3742, 3724, and if this is taken, then it is going to crash hard, which appears not, you can say right now it is not showing any such sign. But once it trades below 3760, there will be a strong downward current, there will be a strong downward pull. Hence take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver now. Now see, silver has already achieved $47 levels, and see this is also taking support from the 5-period moving average, in fact on the hourly charts as well. So yes, if you see it is staying below 4650, that is the point of time you can initiate a sell. But then 4620 and $46 zone, only reversal confirmation in silver is if you see it is staying below 46. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising here as well. All the indications are bullish here. Look at 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour chart, see delivering higher lows, higher highs. In the preceding candle, we have seen a swing, greater swing, right where we have seen silver moving towards 46. A stronger pull is seen towards 47. So now if you see it is staying below 4650, that is the point of time we can initiate a sell for 4620, 46. And once 46 is taken, it may show a stronger dump towards 45.50 or $45 zone. Right now, it is not showing such sign. Rise retracement, rise consolidation, and again a rise here. So higher highs and higher lows are seen, which indicates that if you see now silver trading beyond 47 20 25, you have to stay bullish for 47.50 and $48 zone as well. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish looking upwards, RSI is back to overbought zone. On the 3-hour charts, when you see similar is the observation. On the 3-hour charts, see the formation, see slight retracement, one bullish candle swing here, indecision, and then this next bullish candle. So now it is pretty crucial for silver to trade below 46.50, 46.20 and 46. Till 46, it is not yet bearish. Below 46 is where we can see a good down move. The stochastic getting overbought, the MACD divergent and bullish looking upwards, the RSI overbought here. On the 4-hour charts, when you look at, See, increasing body size, increasing bullishness. Only below 46.50 and 46 is where you can see bearishness, else it is consistently looking upwards. I'll wait for the next candle, and with the next candle, if you see it is staying beyond 47.10, in fact, 47.10 itself you can buy, expect 47.30, 47.50, and then $48 levels here. Remember, the record levels for silver on the upside is 49 or 49.850 here. We have to watch out if at all it starts to hit a double top. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI overbought here. And if you look at the daily chart, on the daily charts, see the 5 period moving average is sitting right at 45.80 levels, and you can see these two candles, higher highs, higher lows are seen. And today again, taking the support, it is trying to bounce back. Imagine if it starts to hit higher highs, we are looking forward to a move above 48. So today, 47.30, 47.50 zone is what you should watch out for. A move beyond 47.30, 47.50 is where you can see it moving towards 48.20, 48.40 levels, the next target levels here. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI overbought. Things are overbought, but silver is not showing any signs of reversal. Silver is not showing any signs of bearishness here. So now what you should do, I will recommend you to now buy only if you see it is staying above 47. When you see the higher prices above 47, you can take a buy. Expect it to move towards 47.20, 47.30 as the next target. And once it trades beyond 47.20, 47.30, expect 47.50. Beyond this, stay bullish for 48. And then 48.40 should be seen, beyond which sky is the limit on the upside. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 46.70 levels. Expect 46.50 first target, 46.20 next, and 46 the third. If at all it decides to trade below 46, then you can confirm the bears are back. You can look forward to 45.50, 45, and then a greater correction should follow. Right now, it is not showing any such sign. So take your trades accordingly. Now let's move to crude oil. If you look at crude oil on the hourly charts, see the retracement and the retracement. Now when you connect the lows and the highs, you will find it's still staying bullish. Now where it might be considered bullish, if you see it is staying above 65.5, that is the point of time you can initiate a buy and expect it to move towards 66.5 as the first target zone. Yes, it might deliver a dollar move here, and staying above 66.5, it is going to lend towards 67.4 and 68 as well. That is the possible move which you can expect. Now see the support it is taking from 50 period, and now you know that 64.8, 64.5 is the most crucial support for the day. Any drop below this is where you can expect more bearishness to follow. The stochastic rising here, the MACD has seen a good drop, the RSI is staying flat, so mixed indication here. Look at 2 hour on the 2 hour charts. Look at this, look at this, look at this, and this. Every time it has seen a drop, it has taken the support from 20 period and bounced back. So now, in fact, even if you see oil is staying above 65.25, 65.3, we can stay with the buys, expect 65.5, 65.6, and then 66, and then it is going to fly high. The moving averages are trading bullish. We have to either wait for it to trade below 64.8, 64.5. That will be the only confirmation of slight bearishness towards 64. And then the most crucial zone between 63 and 64 should appear. Look at the stochastic hit. It has hit a double bottom and looking upwards, which is a supportive sign for further bullishness. While when you talk about MACD, see, look at MACD after showing the highs here. See, it has initiated. Look at this. What has happened here? What has happened here might follow here as well, which is an indication of bearishness. So MACD and stochastic are giving two different views here. RSI is placed comfortably, neither bullish nor bearish. On the 3 hour, similar observation. Every rise it retraces towards 20 period, and this time again it is seen taking the support from 20 period, trying to bounce back. So yes, if you see it is staying beyond 65.25, you can initiate a buy here. Expect 65.5, 65.6, and then 66. Right now it is trading bullish, though you can see the stochastic is already at bottom, but this is interesting to watch the MACD, which is crossed over at the top. And it is not that it cannot rise further, it can rise further, but for the last few moves you can find out every time it shows such rise, it follows with a good drop here. And it requires a strong bullish indication for it to reverse from these levels. So let's wait and watch if it, and as in how oil prices trades beyond 66 levels, the bullishness, the reversal, the rally on the upside will be seen here, which might take it all the way towards 68 as well. On the 4 hour, similar observation on the 4 hour charts, higher highs and higher lows here, waiting for a breakout move here. A move beyond 66 should be definitely a good bullish indication. And then if at all it trades beyond 66.6, you can just stay bullish from there. Stochastic at bottom, the MACD here is the question mark, because see, this is again crossed over at the top, and yes, if you look at the last few moves, it is delivering waves, so this might deliver a bearish wave here. RSI almost flat. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, see the last candle, a huge swing was seen. Today it has delivered higher lows, and now it is trying to deliver a breakout move. When also notice the Bollinger Bands have narrowed here. It is time for Bollinger Bands to start expanding, which suggests there could be a breakout move very soon. And see, also it has formed a very good support here at 61.5, 61.8 zone. See what has happened here. It is preceded with a stronger drop. So now once it breaks out from here, we can look forward to a stronger rise, and then 68, 70 are going to be the next target levels. Stochastic at overbought, MACD rising, RSI flat here. So on the daily charts, oil still has got lot much of room on the upside left. And thus considering the charts now, I will recommend you to buy. If you see now oil staying beyond 65.25, expect it to move towards 65.5, 65.6. The first target zone, 67.2, 67.4. The next, oh sorry, in between this, you will find 66.4, 66.6. The next, then 67.2, 67.4, and then the favorite 68 will arrive. Beyond 68, it is going to move towards 70 very soon. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 64.75, and then expect 64.5, 64.4 as the first target, and then 64 should arrive. Below 64 is where the bears are waiting. Below 64 is where you can say now 63.6. Now see, these levels we have discussed several times. These have hold out. These have proved out to be a very good support and resistances. When it was lower, these were the resistances. Now when it is trading above 64, these are going to be the prime support levels. Below 63 is where you can expect it to drop hard. 62.3, 61.8, 61.5. Only bearishness in oil is below 61.5. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. And yes, do not miss to join the mentorship batch, friends. The next batch dates are announced. Reserve your seats now itself. Else be a part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals you can profit, and those looking forward to a trusted partner should join the recommended broker. The links are there in the channel and video description. Let's move to natural gas. See, natural gas is yet again seen shying away from 3.28, 3.3 zone, and thus any move beyond 3.28, 3.3 is the sign of further rise here. Else what is happening, it has formed a good top. What it has shown a good dip here, and today if you see it is staying beyond 3.2 to 3.2 zone, you can expect it to drop further. But if you connect the lows and the high, see it is still staying in this bullish channel, and thus I will wait for it to stay beyond 3.28, 3.3, which will confirm further up move. Stochastic has seen a good dip. The MACD almost flat here. RSI almost staying flat. Look at 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts, you can see this lower highs, lower lows, forming a nice flag here. Any move below 3.2 to 3.2 should be a confirmation of further downside, and then 3.15 should appear. Stochastic at top trying to cool down. The MACD has crossed over here, which is a slight bearish indication. If you look at the waves here, you can see this is the beginning of bearish wave, which suggests more downside. But remember, when it is bearish, it is seen the lows at minus 40, minus 60, or in fact lower. And now once if it is bullish, it may cross over on the buy side, though right now the prospects are not so strong. RSI placed comfortably. On the 3 hour charts, when you see, look at them. On the 3 hour charts, see it has formed a support, good support here at 3.2422 zone, and yet the resistance on the upside towards 3.28, 3.3 is pretty strong. Let's wait for it to take a direction. Stochastic rising, the MACD almost flat, the RSI almost flat here. On the 4 hour charts, when you see, notice the move, bigger dip, retracement, and now I'll wait for it to trade below 3.24, 3.22, 3.2 zone, which will confirm further downside. It may take a huge dip from there, moving all the way towards 3.15. 16. Stochastic rising, MACD almost flat, trying to converge crossover, RSI almost staying flat. On the daily charts, on the daily chart, see the beginning of the week with a slight consolidation. Look at the preceding candle comes with a swing here, and also this is formed a double top. So now this is the zone which natural gas has to break beyond 3.28, 3.3, and then once it trades beyond 3.28, 3.3 zone, we can look forward to a rise towards 3.3536 and then 3.4. Notice it has formed a very good base, and with this as base, it is delivering higher highs. So now once it breaches out, we are looking forward to a move towards 3.5 and 3.6 levels. Today could be the day when it might do so. Moving averages have crossed over, which is a supportive sign for bulls, which suggests till 3.15, 3.1, you should not be treating this as bearish. Stochastic overbought, MACD flat, RSI flat. So looking at this, what you can do. Now, the buying entry is pretty clear. 3.28 you can buy. Expect it to move towards 3.32 and then 3.3536 at the first strongest resistance here. Beyond this, 3.4 and 3.5 should be the next targets, and then it might in fact move towards 3.6. If not today, then soon. But as in how it trades beyond 3.3, 3.4 zone, you can stay bullish. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 3.22, expect 3.2, 3.175, 3.15. Once it trades below 3.15, stay bearish for 3.11, 3.08. Staying below this is where you can expect the bears to take over 3.053 and 2.97. I have shared several times till 2.97 you should not be treating natural gas as bearish here. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do worth it as well. Thank you.